You know, lately I've been getting demonetized by YouTube left and right because my humor is not suitable for advertisers. They don't like my humor because I say so many words of the penis or something. They don't like the Asian man talk about the penis to make them uncomfortable or something. Maybe they don't like me suck on the cherry on the video. Maybe that's okay. Or eat a banana. I don't know, man. Sometimes I don't know why I get demonetized, but I'm gonna keep this one short. Very short. That's what she said. I'll probably get demonetized for that joke too. I posted this not too long ago, but I wanted to show you guys again because I think this is kind of funny. Stupid. If the military allows me to do this, why aren't I in the military? Oh, because I like my freedom. Okay, that joke was just a joke. I'm super pro military and law enforcement on this channel. I can see the butthurt comments coming in. This next one was floating around, and this guy is a life lesson where to put your jack points and understand where it is.
Oh my God.
But this is a way to learn where your jack points are and what could happen if you don't find it. This guy was brave enough to post this online and become a freaking meme. Poor dude. I aspire to be as lazy as this guy one day. Ha! Joke's on you. I already am. Somebody recently was like, hey Mike, you post so many fail videos. Why don't you post something like cool instead of like making fun of people failing all the time? Alright bro, here's the video, but here's a challenge for you guys. Name every car in this video clip. Ready? Play it. Pretty sick drift action, huh? Can you name all the cars? Leave in comments below. Let me see who got it. And what's gonna be the prize? Boop, I poked ya. Here's a little more drift action for you. Alright guys, super short video once again. If you guys want longer content, let me know so I can make longer content for you. But the problem is YouTube loves to demonetize me, so I can do 10-15 minutes of commentary work, but $0, not like I get any views anyways. So the truth is so sad. But hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I just love making content for you guys, but it does kind of suck getting demonetized. If you guys want to support the channel, go to jdmbrand.com, buy a t-shirt. It helps the channel a lot. Tunercrate.com also, subscribe to a box. In the meantime, I'm just gonna keep wishing for hopes and dreams of not getting demonetized. But thanks for watching. Peace out. Ha ha ha.